In this first part, we will experiment conjecture and then prove a closed form for a telescoping sum. The question is, what is the value of the sum S sub n equals the sum from k equals 2 to n of 1 over k minus 1 times k? First, experiment on a single term. Notice that 1 over the product of k minus 1 and k can be written as a simple difference, 1 over k minus 1 over k. This is the key to the telescope. Now, let us open the sum for a small n to see the pattern. Take n equals 6. When we expand, we get parentheses 1 minus 1 half plus 1 half minus 1 third, plus 1 third minus 1 fourth, plus 1 fourth minus 1 fifth, plus 1 fifth minus 1 sixth. Watch how neighboring terms cancel tip to tail. Everything cancels except the first one, and the very last negative 1 over n. This suggests the conjecture. The sum from k equals 2 to n of 1 over k minus 1 times k equals 1 minus 1 over n. Let us prove this by induction. Base case n equals 2. S sub 2 equals 1 over 1 times 2, which is 1 half, and 1 minus 1 over 2 is also 1 half. The base case holds. For the inductive step, assume S sub n equals 1 minus 1 over n for some n at least 2. Consider S sub n plus 1. That is S sub n plus 1 over n times n plus 1. Substitute the inductive hypothesis and then combine the fractions. You will get 1 minus 1 over n plus 1. Thus the formula holds for n plus 1, completing the induction. Therefore, for every n at least 2, the closed form is S sub n equals 1 minus 1 over n. Second topic. Why were you told to shake the VP tubes after the reagents were added? The VP test detects acetoin by converting it to diacetyl in the presence of oxygen, which then makes a red complex. Shaking helps in 3 ways. Here is a test tube with bacterial broth. We will add alpha-naphthol and KOH, then shake vigorously to mix well and bring in oxygen. Finally, we will see the red color develop. Reason 1, mixing. Shaking disperses the reagents evenly with the broth and the acetoin. Reason 2, oxygen. Dissolved oxygen from the air is needed to oxidize acetoin to diacetyl. Reason 3, color development. Diacetyl reacts with guanidine in the peptone, giving the pink to red color. In short, shaking the VP tubes mixes the reagents, introduces oxygen for oxidation to diacetyl, and enables the pink to red color to develop strongly. Great work exploring both a telescoping sum with induction and a classic lab test intuition.